Are you tired of rising gasoline prices? Maybe you'd be interested in a car powered by natural gas. It's cheaper than gasoline, and the cars are now becoming available in our area. We sent David Highfield to check one out, and he takes a test drive. He's here now with what he's learned. David.
Yeah, Christine, who wouldn't want to escape high gas prices? So these cars, of course, seem pretty attractive. And with some people predicting the natural gas-powered cars are the future, we decided to look at the pros, the cons, and take one for a spin. When you're behind the wheel, the Honda Civic GX, it feels and drives just like a gasoline-powered car, and it zips right up hills.
Well, it definitely can accelerate.
But as the label on the back tells you, this car is different in one big way. It's powered by natural gas.
The advantage to this car is the fuel cost is about half of what gasoline is.
Gary Flannery is from Washington Honda, the first dealership in our area to sell the car. The one he allowed me to drive already had a buyer.
They're interested in it because the price of gasoline is going so high.
We found gasoline selling for $3.44, $3.39, and $3.49. Compare that to the prices we found for an equal amount of natural gas, $1.99, $1.99, and even $1.76. By the way, the car gets an average of 31 miles a gallon.
Make sure nozzle and handle arrows are aligned.
Aside from the price, filling up is a little different with a natural gas-powered car. This is what your gas cap looks like, and the instructions at the pump threw me a little at first.
I gotta tell you, I don't know what the handle arrows are. It's this. Oh, I see, these two things.
Turns out I wasn't the only person a little puzzled. But once you have the arrows in the right direction, it's really pretty simple. Finding a station to fill up, however, is a little more difficult right now in our area. This Department of Energy map shows you the compressed natural gas stations open to the public. Waste Management has one near Washington, PA. Giant Eagle has one in Crafton, and EQT has one in the Strip District. You can also get a system installed in your home.
It takes natural gas from the line already running to your home and fills up your car.
But it takes about 8 hours to fill up this way, and so far, Honda hasn't recommended the systems, although Flannery says that could change. You should also know that there's less trunk space in the natural gas version of the Civic, and then there's the price tag. At $27,000, $8,000 more than a gasoline-powered Civic. But Flannery says you'll make up the difference in fuel savings once you travel about 80,000 miles. Businesses seem to be the first to switch over.
There's a lot of energy companies in our area that are interested in the vehicle and want to use this for their fleets.
And with natural gas being cheaper and cleaner, Flannery thinks he's selling the car of the future today.
We're going to see more and more of them over time.
Well, the Honda Civic GX is the only factory-built car to run on natural gas right now, but both Chrysler and GM are coming out with natural gas-powered pickup trucks. And listen to this, in Pennsylvania, there's a $1,000 rebate for buying one of those cars. So that's pretty significant.
It's a lot of incentive. I love the idea, but didn't seem like there's a lot of places to fill up, which could be a problem.
Yeah, and that could change. In fact, I talked to a group, it's called the Pittsburgh Region Clean Cities. They tell me in the next year and a half, they say they know of some companies very close to opening stations here, 15 to 20 more stations. So that could change soon.
That sounds great. Thank you, David.
Sure thing.